Olivia. You look a little tired today. Didn't sleep well?
Yeah, I think I caught a little cold. My throat feels sore and I was sneezing all night.
Oh no, that sounds bad. Did you take any medicine?
Not yet. I was thinking I might visit the doctor after work. You know, it's better to be safe.
You're right. Health first. Speaking of doctors, today's topic is actually at the doctor feeling sick. Perfect timing, Olivia.
Yes, maybe I can learn how to talk to the doctor in English today, and I'm sure our viewers will too.
Exactly. So everyone, if you've ever felt sick and didn't know what to say in English, this lesson is for you.
We'll teach you how to describe your symptoms, what the doctor might ask, and how to respond clearly.
And before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends.
All right, let's begin our visit to the doctor's office.
Okay, imagine you wake up one morning and you feel something is not right. Your head hurts, your nose is blocked, and you feel tired. What do you do?
You go to the doctor. But first, let's learn how to say how you feel in English.
Great idea. So, Olivia, how would you say, "I'm not feeling well"?
Easy. You can say, I don't feel well, or I'm feeling sick.
Perfect. Here are more examples. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a cough. I have a fever.
Let's repeat together. Viewers, say it with us.
I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a cough. I have a fever.
Good job. Now, when you visit the doctor will ask questions.
Right. The doctor might say, "What's the problem?" Or, "How are you feeling today?"
And you can answer, I have a stomach ache, or I feel dizzy.
Let's practice a short conversation. I'll be the doctor, you'll be the patient, Olivia.
Okay.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello, doctor. I'm not feeling well. I have a sore throat and a fever.
How long have you been sick?
For 2 days.
Okay, let me check your temperature. It's a little high. You need to rest and drink more water.
Thank you, doctor.
That's a simple and clear way to talk to your doctor.
Exactly. And you can also say, I feel tired, I feel weak, or I feel cold.
Let's learn some words you might hear at the doctor's office.
Number 1, appointment. That means the time you go to see the doctor.
Number 2, prescription. That's a paper from the doctor telling you what medicine to take.
Number 3, medicine. It's what helps you feel better.
And number 4, rest. When you are sick, your body needs rest to get better.
Let's use them in short sentences.
I have an appointment with the doctor at 10 a.m.
The doctor gave me a prescription for some medicine.
I need to take my medicine 3 times a day.
I should rest at home today.
Excellent. Now, let's test your listening. I'll say a sentence, and you guess the missing word.
Ready, everyone?
I went to the doctor to get my... Pause.
Did you say prescription? That's correct.
Next one. The doctor told me to blank at home and drink water. Pause.
The answer is rest. Great job.
Nice. Now let's learn how to say where it hurts.
You can say, my head hurts, or my stomach hurts.
Or my back hurts, or my ear hurts.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
My head hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts. My ear hurts.
My head hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts. My ear hurts.
Awesome. You sound great.
Now, let's talk about advice the doctor gives.
The doctor might say, take this medicine 3 times a day.
Or drink lots of water.
Or you need to rest for 2 days.
Let's practice polite answers. You can say, "Okay, doctor," or "Thank you, doctor."
That's right. Always be polite.
Now, here's an interactive moment. Tell us in the comments, what do you usually do when you feel sick? Do you go to the doctor or take rest at home?
We'd love to know your answers below.
Okay, now let's learn some simple phrases for the pharmacy.
When you go to buy medicine, you can say, I need medicine for a headache.
Or, do you have something for a sore throat?
Or, how often should I take this medicine?
Good practice. And remember, always follow the doctor's advice.
Let's do a mini role play again. This time, Olivia is at the pharmacy.
Hello, I need medicine for a cough.
Sure, take this syrup. You should take 1 spoon 3 times a day.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Easy, right?
Very easy. Now, let's learn how to say you're feeling better.
You can say, I feel much better today.
Or, I'm feeling good now.
Or, the medicine helped me.
Let's repeat these together.
I feel much better today. I'm feeling good now. The medicine helped me.
Wonderful. Now, Olivia, when you were a kid, did you ever pretend to be sick to skip school?
Maybe once or twice, but don't tell anyone.
That's a fun question. But remember, being healthy is important.
Yes, take care of your body. Eat healthy food, sleep well, and wash your hands often.
And if you feel sick, don't worry. Just go to the doctor and explain your symptoms.
Because now you know exactly what to say in English.
Let's review quickly before we end.
Sure.
Sure. Phrases to remember. 1. I'm not feeling well. 2. I have a headache. 3. I have a sore throat. 4. My stomach hurts. 5. I have an appointment with the doctor. 6. I need to take medicine. 7. I should rest at home. 8. I feel better now.
Excellent review. You did an amazing job today.
Yes, everyone, you're learning fast and improving every day.
That's all for today's lesson at the doctor, feeling sick.
We hope this lesson helps you next time you visit the doctor.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments what topic should we cover next. Maybe at the dentist or buying medicine. What do you think?
That sounds great. We'll see you next time on Bye!